How to fix Google Chrome not opening problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Google Chrome not opening problem. So guys, for this we have to go to the mobile settings. We have to go to our phone settings, click on phone settings, and then we have to go to install apps or app manager. Here is it. I will go to install apps and then just search for Chrome. Here is it. Click on Chrome and then you can see here force stop. Click on force stop and press OK. And then now you can see a storage. Click on storage and then you have to clear your data here. I mean cache. Clear all the cache here. Now go back and then click on app permission and then you have to allow all the permission here. If it isn't allowed, then you have to allow all the permission here. Now go back to the menu, restart your phone and reopen the Chrome browser. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.